How to create Earth zoom in effect in Higgsfield AI. So first of all, go to higgsfields.ai and make sure you sign in. So once you've done that, you'll have to hover to video and then select the first option that reads create videos, generate AI videos. So once you're there, here you can see you can give a prompt according to your wish, and in your prompt, what you'll do is simply type create a, a zoom in video and location ends up in Bangkok, Thailand. So once you've done that, you'll simply press on generate. You can also select the model according to your wish. So you'll need exclusive if you want a greater or better model. So here what they have provided is sedans, so you can simply go with that. So you can simply press on generate and you can also select the clip duration. You can also select the quality as well. So you can simply press on generate. So you can simply press on generate and it will generate a video for you if you've got a good plan. So let's check out if there are any free products. So here we can see King's yeah, let's go with generate. So once it's generate, so it will require input video according to your wish. So it will create a video that would be or zoom to your desired place. And that's for the video. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.